All right, it's February 2nd. It's Friday. It's pre-market. This is my week in review. And I'm going to do things a little differently. It's Friday before market, so I'm going to just see where things are right now. I've got four different options going, 2 puts and 2 calls. And we'll see where I am now, and we'll watch it at the end of the day. And at the end of the last part of this video, I'll show you what happened. So starting off, it's the first of the month. And my goal is to invest $1,600, which I did today per month. And so over the course of the year, that's $19,200. So I'm going to do that over the course of the year and add to my account. And as part of my goals sheet this year, or my 10-year goal is to have hopefully like $1 million. This will probably be over $1 million by the time it's 10 years, because I'm going to be adding more and more per month. But my goal is to add $1,600 a month, which I've done so far this year, the past 2 months. This growth rate, that might be a little aggressive, I'm finding out, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to keep it there for now as my goal, and hopefully have $1 million by the end of 10 years. Like I said, this is coming from rental income, and once my kid goes to college, I'll have be able to rent out the house I'm in now and live in a different property that I have, and so that'll bring in a couple extra $2,000 per month, and that's going to grow over time as rents increase, and as I pay it off. I can pay it off pretty soon, and then I'll have like $3,000 or $4,000 a month to invest in this. So I'm going to really pile on here and just be invested in stocks by the end of 10 years. And instead of real estate, I'm going to be investing in real estate investing trusts, and not have the hassle of all the things that come along with real estate, like maintenance and tax and insurance, and just the risk involved. So that's kind of my plan here. So let's look at where I am now with my current portfolio. I've added $1,600 here. This account was at $30,000 roughly this morning. Now it's at like $31,600. So I've got these 4 options I'm going with. This Roku is a put credit spread. It's gone in and out of the money, so I'm hoping by the end of the day today, it's going to be above the 89 strike price that I have, and I can close this out. It's been a real pain in the ass. I've had to roll it out twice, and it's kind of difficult to do on a put credit spread, and it's almost impossible to do if it's way in the money. So hopefully this stays above 90 or above 89, and by the end of the day I can just close it out. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day when I continue this video. This Solar Edge is a put. It's looking pretty good. It's well above my strike price. I'm anticipating that at the end of the day it's going to expire worthless, and I'll just collect the premium. I've collected $58. And let's see, Unity Software. Again, it's a call. It's well below my strike price, so that's looking pretty good. Hopefully that stays. I've made $43 for that. And the last one is AI. I've got 100 shares of this, and it's well below my strike price. I collected $60 here. The thing about this, though, this is strike price I have. It's below my cost, so I'm hoping it's not going to, if it starts to get in the money, I'm going to have to roll it out, because I don't want to sell for less than the $30 that I purchased this for. I only did the 28 because trying to go to 30, there wasn't enough meat on the bone for premium to collect. I was going for a $28 strike price just to collect more premium. And again, if this goes to close to 28 or goes above, I'm going to have to roll this out. But if it stays as is today, it'll expire worthless. And then I'll do another call and hopefully collect another $60 for this. So I'm going to wait, pause the video, and we'll come back and see what happens at the end of the day. All right, so I was just checking on this Roku put here, or this put credit spread, and it's gone out of the money quite a bit. It was at like 90 just a minute ago. It's gone down a little bit, but the price to buy back this option is only like $21. I'm really considering it, and I may want to do it just to close it out. If I did get a sign, if it went between, then I'd be assigned, and it would cost me $8,900. But that might be good. I might just be patient and see what happens with this. If it closes out of the money, good. It'll close. Worthless. But if I get assigned, I don't think it would be below my long put strike. So I think if I want to look at the options, if I did get assigned, I mean, I could sell a call for this. If I just go a week out, I choose a delta of, under 30. This is 29 at 94. I don't think it's going to go up to 94, which is pretty unlikely. I guess there's a, 29% chance. But I could get 115 bucks for this, and I could, turn around and sell this 4 times a month as a weekly option. That might be good. I think I'll just let this ride and see what happens with this. Hopefully it'll turn out well. If I get assigned, then I can sell calls and make $100 a week. That would put me well into my goal with just one stock. I mean, last month I made 603. So starting off this month, I could probably just get, $400 some right off the bat with just this one. Then I could have all my others. It might push me up above 600 for this month, which would be really good. So I won't make a move right now. We'll see what happens, and we'll take it from there. So the price is decaying a little bit towards the end of the day. It's down to $16 to close this out. It's kind of getting close to the short put strike price. So I think I'm going to just close this out, because instead of letting it get assigned and taking almost $9,000 of my cash away to buy these shares, I can just sell more puts on it. So I'll keep my cash and I'll sell the puts instead of maybe getting assigned and selling calls. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Cost me $16.06. Okay, so it's after closing hours here on Friday, and things have closed out. Let's see here. I've got this Solar Edge expired worthless, so that's gone. I bought back the Roku. I had to spend $16, so I added that to what I had spent to buy it back earlier and roll it out. So I closed that out, buy to close, and it's brought it from just over $600 back down to $587 because I had to spend a little money to buy that one out. And this Unity software also expired worthless. So I've got 100 shares on that. That was a call. I'll turn around and sell another call on that. And I forgot to mention earlier that this AI was actually expired on 2/9, so that's still there. Didn't expire today. And so I've got this Unity software, got 100 shares. I'll keep selling calls on that. In fact, let's look right now. Go out a week, and my price was what? I can't remember what I bought these for. 35. So that's going to be kind of tough because it's down to get some premium. But let's see. Sell, call. Going up to 35. I can collect 29 bucks there. I might as well do that. The delta is 22. So I got the shares. It's a safe bet. I'm going to continue to sell a call on that. So putting that in my sheet, I've got it. Software Unity software, expires 2/9. Strike price at 35, delta 22.22. Current price 32.71. It's a call. Premium collected is 29. I also, during the day here, made a cash secured put on this DWAC because it's got great premium. Let's see, I collected $102 premium for that. The delta was 0.24, so it's pretty safe. Pretty good bet that it'll go in my favor. Expires a week. And yeah, so that'll be a good, actually, that's a great return, 2.8%. And so I've got those two going for me next week. So that's kind of the end of my week to close out the month. Last month I made $587.97. Hopefully I can outdo that this week. I'm off to a good start with $131 so far in premium, and it's only the second of the month. So I'm going to maybe look at some more cash secured puts for this week and increase that premium and go from there. But right now that's kind of where I'm sitting at. So I hope this video helps. It's helps me to make them and keep track of everything and kind of put it out there as accountability for what I'm doing and seeing all my mistakes and all my successes. So I guess that's it. We'll see you on the next one.